The other feature you will see on this screen is a daylight saving button. So really all that button is for is if you're in a time zone or an area where you have summertime saving or daylight saving, hitting a button like this is a fairly simplistic way of texting the intercom. And of course that will send it a new text with the current time and date and resynchronize the time. Your customers can do this for themselves as well, or you can just send it a reception check to check reception. Any SMS to the intercom will resynchronize the time automatically.
So let's just check out that clock sync feature for daylight saving. When we press that button, we're given a choice to put in a number of days between 1 and 99. So if we put in 0, then it's disabled. If we put in a 1, this will actually text itself every single day to resynchronize time. And if you're using one of our Vodafone SIM cards, they're unlimited texts, unlimited calls. So you can happily activate this feature and be confident that it's not going to cost you or the homeowner any money for ongoing text messages. So when I press save, this will cause the unit to text itself every single day, so that even if there is a time zone change, we'll get a text. It will do that text at whatever time I set it up at. So I've done this at 3 p.m. So every day at 3 p.m. this would get this synchronization text. You could do that in the morning time to make sure it's an AM text as well.